Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share this look with you all today. This is the crochet braid look, and I use the Afri Naptural Kids Crochet, and the style is KC02 Water Wave. So let's jump right into this look. So first of all, my daughter's hair is freshly washed and conditioned and detangled. I use the leave-in cream or leave-in conditioner by the Moisture Miracle collection from Africa's Pride to detangle her hair with a detangling brush. And as you can see, half of her hair has already been braided, so I'm doing the other half. And as I do each braid, I go ahead and use the Africa's Best, and today I'm using the castor oil to braid it as I go, just to keep the moisture locked into her hair. So once I have all of her hair braided, I will go ahead and get into crocheting. And what you would need to crochet is a crochet pin. They have those at most beauty supply stores. So we'll get into that in just a minute. Okay, so here is the final look with her entire head with braids. I have the one braid at the nape of her head going across just to create a little more of layers once I go ahead and put the crochet in. Okay, and to get the knot in the back, all I did was braid all the ends together. I wrapped it around and just tucked it in, and I will get those secured as I apply the crochet braids into her hair. So you can see the crochet pin has hooks, and so what I'm doing is I'm just sliding the hook through a braid, and then I will take the crochet hair and do a loop with my index finger. I'll go ahead and attach that on the hook. The hook opens and closes, so while the hook is open, I'll go ahead and insert it in the hook, close it, and bring it through the braid. I will then remove the hook and then go ahead and put 2 to 3 knots in it to secure the crochet braid to the hair. Just easy peasy, and you just do this through the entire head. Okay, so now you can see how the knot that was in the back of her head is all covered by the braids. So that's where I normally start, is the back. I'll do a couple of braids down there. Then I will move on to the front. I'll do a couple of the crochet braids. I'll put the hair up in the front, and then I'll go ahead and start to fill in the middle. So for this look, I did use 3 packs of the crochet braiding hair. You're more than welcome to use more for more volume, but I think it turned out perfect with the 3 packs. Here's the final look. We absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.